Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So as you can see, today we're going to be talking about a Mmat or metamaterial. So what the heck was going on? Why the heck are we down even though the company just acquired another company and all the good stuff? First of all, as you can see, we are sitting at price of around 315 at the moment. I mean, that's where we closed out yesterday. I'm gonna be giving you the technical analysis, even though the stock and the actual price and how it is moving is being manipulated a lot, and you cannot just predict like that. You cannot predict the price that easily. But the funny thing is that I actually predicted this move, and it was moving like line in line. Like if it does not make sense, but as you can see right here, I made a prediction on 2nd of August that it was about to push to the downside, kind of close below these highs, and yeah, it put through these lows and then kind of pushed to the upside, and it actually did. And then, as you can see, it kind of fold back down. And it did actually happen. Okay, this is just this is where we opened, this is where we closed, this is where we opened, and this whole candle was just a 1% to the upside. Okay, but the whole candle was actually a big bearish candle right here, and as you can see, it was right around 9 to 10%. Okay, so yeah, that is the point of making that's the point why the actual stock is actually up, but we had a huge bearish candle because of the gaps between the close and the open. Okay, that's about it. Also, nanotech is the process of securing the next phase contract with the top 10 central bank. Okay, the company presentation is I have the company presentation link, but all you need to know is that I suggest first of all everyone check out the Nanotech 2021 company overview, since we just acquired them. This is why we acquired the company, and a lot of the people have questions about how we acquired a company like Nanotech, and we did not move at all, only like 1% to the upside, but we're going to be talking about that. Okay, so they specialize in money security. Yeah, like when someone holds up a $100 bill to the light to make sure it's real. Below is the main reason I believe that Metamaterials wanted this. Okay, they won a 30 million development contract in 2017, and in the process of securing the next contract phase later this year. The contract is with one of top 10 central banks to design the security features for their next series of banknotes. It does not say which bank, but Google says these are the top 10. The Federal Reserve System in the US, then the Bank of Japan, People's Bank of China, then Deutsche Bundesbank, that's from Germany of course, then Bank of France, Bank of Italy, Bank of Spain, the Swiss National Bank of course in Switzerland, and the Bank of England in the UK, the Central Bank of Brazil in Brazil. So as you can see, Canada is not it's not like one of them, so maybe the contract is in the works with the Federal Reserve, since they are the next closing thing. I wouldn't mind that all. Okay, so a lot of people are guessing that they guess who are found listed as one of the institutional holders of Mmat. Guess who? And of course the Royal Bank of Canada with 19,496 shares listed on 7th 2021. This was on 20th of July, according to 13F Feelings. Okay, and well, maybe they are the top 10. The Google is always off a bit. I bet that's not just a welcome coincidence, and this is the reason why they're agreeing to pay a premium for the company. Once the deal is finished and the PR drops on what bank what it is, this will work as another catalyst for moonshots. Like hopefully this is what the people are saying, and they just keep still taking those PRs. And imagine if they could put this on the stock like certificates, so we could tell if they were synthetic or not. This would have been crazy. And out of the 2 PRs on Yahoo Finance page, one of them actually called it G10 Central Bank. So if you Google it, if you Google it's that way, the list is a little different, and includes Canada. Also, one of those PRs it says one of the facilities is built in European central banks like specifications, so really could go either way. We will see what will happen with that. But the main question that a lot of people are asking right now: why the heck did we acquire the company and we did not even move at all? I mean, 1% to the upside. But does anyone want to explain why Mmat acquired a successful company today and didn't move at all? Maybe the shorts tripled down. It was like 167% short and end of June, July, and they turned in FTDs. What happened in the T plus 35 from the QSIP on August 12th? So a lot of people are explaining right now that it shoot up like 20% to the upside to 376 right here. Somewhere around here, it shoot to the upside, then in pre-market, and then it fall back down due to the shorting of 3,100 shares, 300,000 shares, 300,000 shares. Okay, not 30k, but 300k shares. 300k shares is literally nothing but barely 1% of the total float. They blew air on Mmat and the price dropped. The intense trading in pre-market today was very unusual, and they're talking about yesterday. Okay, that's why I'm really at this moment. And the change in the SIC, the SEC, it got swept back again to oil and gas. Who knows when? Okay. And there's a lot of more stuff. The fact is that this is worth of like $40 per share. Shorts are fucking massive. Like they're messing us around, okay, in illegal way, because we are retail investors. Like, okay, and I'm not selling not even a single share, just a hodl. Don't get me wrong here. I'm holding a lot of shares and bullish, but $40 a share implies on 11.4 billion dollar market cap, USD market cap. Okay, so if you look at companies in the semiconductor sector by the market cap, that will put us on a similar footing with a company like Realtek. It is listed on Taiwan. Okay, not a lot of people know about this, but who has realized about 3.05 billion USD in revenue so far this year. Moving up in the chain with the Nasdaq listed companies such as On Semiconductor, or ticker symbol ON, who has a market cap of $19.31 billion and a share price of $45.7, has achieved about 5.5 billion in revenue this year with an EBIT of $450 million so far. The entire metamaterial market is estimated to reach $1.4 billion by 2026, according to some analysis reports. Just bear this in mind. Again, I'm bullish, but bearing some type of momental catalyst I see is being difficult for Mmat to reach $40 a share anytime soon, without any real revenue streams to speak of. Okay. A lot of the people are skeptic. I mean, it's okay to be skeptic, but at this point, all you need to do is just hold your shares. That if you want to help out the company, hold your shares. Maybe the squeeze can happen. Nobody knows that. Nobody can tame the market. Also, because this being really short a lot, we can really shoot up to the sky. Also, we're not just waiting on this for the actual squeeze. We're waiting on this for the actual asset and a store of value. Okay, so that's why I like Mmat, and that's about it for today. Let me know what are your thoughts about metamaterials. Also, there was a butterfly phone with the Mmat background right there that I saw on the internet, and a lot of good things too. And guys, this is basically it. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.